eastern part of India, called Seven Sisters. They are landlocked country, landlocked region of India. They have no way to reach out to the ocean. We are the only guardian of the ocean for all this region. So this opens up a huge possibility. So this could be an extension of the Chinese economy. Build things, produce things, market things, bring things to China, bring it out to the whole rest of the world. That's a production house for you. So that's the opportunity we should seize and we should implement, we should get it done. Nepal has unlimited hydropower, which is a blessing. Bhutan has unlimited hydropower. That's a blessing. We can bring it to our purpose, to our setting up our factories and so on. And from Bangladesh, you can go anywhere you want because the ocean is in our backyard. So this is the opportunity that we want to take.
Uttar Purb landlock hoy, kintu landlock ami nuhua koribo paru. Jodi ami chicken neckor toledi ami underground railway corridor banabo paru, rasta banabo paru. Bhutanedi jodi aru eta rasta Bharatborshor mainlandলৈকে আমি নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব পাৰো পৰিবেশৰ পৰিৱৰ্তন হ'ব মহম্মদ ইউনিছে যেটো কথা কৈছে হেতু ভাৰতৰ বহুত কথাটো মাজে মাজে কৈ থকা হয় ইয়াৰ বিপৰীতে মই ভাবো যে ভাৰত চৰকাৰে নিশ্চয় শক্তিশালী পদক্ষেপ গ্ৰহণ কৰিব